Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Hello everybody, here are some questions for you. Try to answer them throughout the lesson in the comments below and see if you can get them right at the end of the video. Tense refers to how we use verbs to describe when something happened or will happen. This is the final video in my series on verb tense. If you want to watch the first video about past tense, click on the flag above my head or follow the links in the description. Hello everyone, my name is Mr.D and this is my English language learning show. In this episode we are going to learn about the future tense and how to identify the different types. If this is your first time here, welcome to the show. I upload a new video every week, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified about my next video. We use future tense when we want to say that something is going to happen or will happen at some point. As with the previous tenses, there are 4 types of future tense. They are the simple future tense, the future continuous tense, the future perfect tense, and finally, the future perfect continuous tense. Our first type is the simple future tense. We use this type when we are talking about something that will happen at some point. We do this by using a modal verb such as will, might, or should before our base verb. Some examples include, I will do my homework. I should like this video. I might leave a comment for Mr.D. Our second tense type is the future continuous tense. We use this tense when we talk about things that will be happening and keep on happening for a set amount of time in the future. An easy way to identify this is through the use of the participle ing at the end of our verb. Some examples are, I will be driving to school. Mr.D will be making a new video every week. They should be starting in 30 minutes. Our third tense type is the future perfect tense. This tense type is used to tell us that something in the future will have happened before something else. An easy way to identify this tense type is through the presence of will have before the verb. Some examples can be, they will have lived in 2 countries before moving to Europe. I will have eaten dinner already before you come over. Jane will have traveled the world by the time she turns 28. Our final tense type is the future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used when describing events that have been going on continuously until a certain point in the future. We can use this tense type to show cause and effect. An easy way to identify this tense type is through the presence of have been. Some examples are, Simon will have been working as a teacher for 40 years before retiring. I should have been working harder in high school. That way I would have been accepted into a good university. They will have been friends for 5 years this month. So that ends our lesson on the types of future tense. Let's take a look at our questions again. Did you find all the answers? Write them in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to leave a like and I will see you again next time.